Hi, everyone. This is Sunday with Farmers Business Network, and I'm here today to talk with Peppo Pashira from FBN Finance about a new offering from FBN Finance called Farmland Capital. So, Peppo, can you tell us a little bit more about Farmland Capital? What is it? What do farmers need to know about it?
Well, thanks, Sunday. So Farmland Capital is basically making capital available for farmers. It's a minority investment, investing alongside farmers to help them own and control farmland in such a way where they can buy out FBN. This capital has no annual payments, no interest, no rent, no payments at all on an annual basis. It just shares in the changing value of the farm in the future.
Awesome. So maybe some backstory will be helpful. How did this product come about?
Yeah, so farmland is the most essential asset for any farmer. You need land to be a farmer, but it's also the most capital intensive one. And in the most recent years, farmers are having a hard time competing with investors for land. Like we found, like in some recent surveys that we did at FBN, that 37% of the farmers are looking to buy land within the next year, and 39% of the farmers are considering buying out a family member, and 69% of the farmers would like to reinvest in the farming business, but without taking additional bank loans. So, like in all these cases, a limiting factor for farmers to grow and to have a sustainable operation, it's access to capital. Loans can only cover a part of that. Bank loans typically go up to 65% of the farm value, and they come with annual payments that are an annual burden when farmers have variable things like weather and commodity prices that can change. So we create a product that gives farmers cash that they can use in their operations. We come in as a minority passive investor, and we do not share in any of the annual payments. We don't charge any rent, any interest rates. The farmer controls all the decisions on the farm. They get 100% of the income of the property. This project just shares in the changing value of the farm in the future. Basically, if the farmer does well, this investment does well too. But there's no interest rate or no annual payment ever on this product.
So can you give us some real world examples of how this product would work for farmers?
Yes, so we have been recently working with a farmer. He has basically a farm that has been on the family for a long time. It's a $2 million farm where he had $1.2 million in debt on the property. He was paying a lot of annual debt payments, and that was having an impact on his cash flow and the income he had available. So what we did with him is we replaced a small portion of that debt, basically $200,000 with this co-investment, and that allowed him to basically improve his financial metrics and then qualify for a loan where he went from 6% interest rates to 3% interest rates, actually less than 3%. And with this, he was able to reduce his annual debt payments from $115,000 a year to $55,000 a year. It's like a huge reduction, and it's a lot of money that this farmer has now available to use and continue reinvesting in his farming operation. So yeah, we have found situations like this across the country. This is a product that we are offering for farmers of and cropland all over the US, different sizes, shapes, crop types. We have a really quick underwriting process for these co-investments, and we can typically invest up to 25% of the farm value. We're always a minority shareholder, so we never participate in more than 49% of the equity on the non-debt portion of the farm. Yeah.
And I know you sort of touched on some of the pain points that this will solve for farmers, but so if a farmer wanted to get started and learn more, where should they begin?
So yeah, there are a few different use cases that we have seen for farmers with this product. Like one of the main ones, it's like farmers that want to lower debt payments. With this capital injection, they can improve their financial metrics and qualify for lower interest rate loans. Then we have also found a lot of interest and traction from farmers that want to expand their operation. These are farmers that need a larger down payment to buy a piece of land and help them to expand and have a sustainable operation without increasing too much their annual debt payments. So those are some of the main use cases. Another big one that we have seen, it's farmers that have some family succession, or they need to buy some co-owners of their property. They need to come up with the funds to do that. So with this product in combination with a loan, it works really well. And also farmers that are at the end of their farming career. They're getting near to retirement. They own farmland, and they want to take some cash off that land to use for whatever they want, but they do not want to pay taxes when they sell that land, or they do not want to sell the land and get rid of it either. Like, they want to continue having control of that land, and they don't want to take debt because that comes along with interest payments and has that annual burden. So yeah, those are the main pain points that we are finding this product solves, and that can really help farmers in those situations.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So in order for farmers to learn more about this new offering, I'm going to be adding the URL to the end of this video and also a link in the description below, so you can check that out. And thank you so much, Pepo, for sitting down and answering our questions.